In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect COROS to Strava. Start by opening up the COROS app and log in to your account. Next, at the bottom right corner of your screen, switch to the Profile tab. Next, from this page, click on Settings. Then click on Third-Party Apps. Now from here, select Data Sync. Next is choose Strava from the list. So here you can see guidelines on how to connect your COROS to Strava app. So first is log into your Strava account, then click on the Connect Now button. You will then be redirected to this page and prompt to log into your Strava app. Next, you will be prompted to authorize COROS wearables to connect to Strava. So click on the Authorize button. This will allow COROS to push your activities to Strava automatically. Once you see this page, you're all set. All new workouts recorded on your COROS watch will now sync to Strava automatically. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!